according to my calculations. What's up, gang? What's up? Oh yeah, am I fully in camera? What's up, gang? Today we're making the. Today we will be making a LED cloud wall using this space of wall here. Using Gorilla Glue spray adhesive that I got from Walmart. Got a couple different LED lights. Got 8 poster boards, and last but not least, we got some fiber fill. It is the best color. I like it because of the texture and the color. Later.
We handpicked it ourselves.
Putting up the poster boards. Guys, this is my chair. I have not finished painting it yet so far, but this is a chair that I will be using to take pictures.
Never gonna stop, never gonna stop. Gotta get the glide, I mean all of it. I can't even
You making it look like that?
What?
Like slanted?
It looks slanted?
Mm-hmm.
That I could be proud of.
looking on the ops, NBA live. You could turn a rat to a wife, get a high five. Ain't worried about a little bitch, cause they not mine. Too many fishes in this bitch, walk hand aside. So traumatized from the fake love. I just rather stay to my damn self. Yeah, I fuck with them, but I love you. Never gonna stop, never gonna stop. No, I wanna meet your mama, ain't on that type of time. Never gonna stop, never gonna stop. Never gonna stop, never gonna stop. It's a whole lot of guap enough to go around. It's a whole lot of guap enough to go around. They use me for my love.